Hello everyone. Now, women, pattern of hair loss is different. So what women have is it's termed female pattern hair loss. It is still androgenic alopecia. It's predominantly driven by the hormone DHT, but they lose hair in a diffuse pattern all over the top of their scalp. And basically they'll notice initially a widening of the area that they comb the hair, the parting, and also maybe a change in their hairline where it advances upwards and their forehead becomes broader. The other thing they always complain of is a lot of hair coming off when they're showering and combing their hair. They notice a lot more hair coming out. Also, the hair thins out and more scalp is visible through the hair, especially in strong sunlight or in bright light. So this is androgenic alopecia, but women also lose hair from other causes. There's telogen effluvium, where the hormone cycle associated with pregnancy and other things can cause hair loss. In addition, they get traction alopecia, where if they tie their hair in a tight bun and pull on the hair, or they put hair extensions, that itself can cause hair loss, and that can be permanent. Now, what can be done about this? Well, at Keshatransplant, we specialize in something called Sapphire technology. Now, the Sapphire technology is the latest and the best method of regaining your hair. The technology is a system, and basically we can transplant hair into the areas that you've lost hair. And in that way, the bald areas, the areas that have thinned hair and have less hair, can regrow permanent hair. And this is going to last a lifetime. It will not shed. But similarly, we can treat the existing hair and prevent further loss and also thicken that hair up. We do it in two ways. One, we give a free treatment to all our clients, and it is in solution that contains nutrients that actually provides nourishment for the hair. It also contains minoxidil, which blocks DHT. So this solution will actually control hair loss. Now, normally this costs about 50,000 rupees, and we give it free of charge to our clients. So feel free to call us and book a time slot. It takes about 20 minutes to do, and you can go to work or get on with your normal daily activities immediately afterwards. The other important thing is we emphasize nutrition. Now, the hair needs protein, it needs certain vitamins, it needs certain minerals, and these have to be provided in the right quantity for maximum hair growth. If your hair is not growing long or your hair is thinned out, you need to get your nutrition sorted out. And often people find it difficult to get all the nutrients they need in the right quantities on a daily basis. So we have a product called Balance. You can find it on the internet, and you'll notice it's about 80,000 rupees. But we are giving it free of charge to our clients. So you can actually contact us and get a sample. And the other advantage of Balance is it grows hair, but it also controls your blood sugar levels. And it avoids you getting insulin spikes when you eat food. So basically what happens is your hair will grow, and you'll notice that waistline will slim, you'll lose weight. And so if you stick to the system, the advantage is getting nice hair, glowing skin, and losing weight. So we recommend Balance to women, and it's actually, you can get a sample free of charge if you contact us while we have the stocks. So if you need advice about hair, feel free to contact us. 076 9965660, 074 360 0671, or 077 0095 890.
කොහොමද මාස 8කට විතර පස්සේ කෙෂා ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට් එකට ආවා. ඇත්තටම මම ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට් එකක් කරා. ඒක විස්තර ඔයාලා බලන්න ඇති. මම අප්ඩේට් දැම්ම මාස 4ක් වගේ එක දිගටම. ඊට පස්සේ ඇත්තටම දාන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. මේ මගේ හිටපු ප්‍රදේශය තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. මේ ටිකස් තිබ්බේ නැහැ. ඒ ටික තමයි මේ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ හොඳට. ඉතින් අද ආවා කෙෂා ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට් එකට ෆිනොක්සයිඩ් මේගොල්ලෝ දෙනවා වෙනම ට්‍රීට්මන්ට් එකක් ඒක කරගෙන යන්න. මොකද පිටිපස්සේ පොඩක් මගේ කොණ්ඩේ අඩු වෙගෙන යනවා. ඒ ටික චුට්ටක් නවත්ත ගන්න මේගොල්ලෝගේ මේ ට්‍රීට්මන්ට් එක තියෙනවා. ඒකත් එක්ක මේගොල්ලෝගේ අර තව බොටල් එකක් දෙනවා. ඒක යූස් කරාම ගොඩක් දුරට සාර්ථක වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. නැත්තම් ඇත්තටම මම පළවෙනි ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට් එක කරද්දී තව එකකට යමු කියලා තමයි හිතන් හිටියේ. ඉතින් මේක try කරනවා. නැත්තම් ආයේ තව ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට් එකක් දෙවෙනි වතාවට කරන්න වෙනවා. හැබැයි මගේ මේ හිටපු කොටස තියෙන ඉස්සරහා. ඉතින් ඇත්තටම සාර්ථකයි. ගොඩක් අය මගෙන් අහනවා මොකද උනේ කොහොමද දැන් ප්‍රතිඵල ඒ විස්තර ටික දැනගන්න තමයි ඇත්තටම මේ වීඩියෝ එක කරන්න හිතුවේ. මේ කොටස ඔයාලට හොඳට පේනවා ඇති. මේ හිටපු කොටස. මේක මම දැන් කපලා තියෙනවා 4-5 සැරයක්ම හොඳටම වැවෙනවා. කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. හිටපු ටිකත් පිටිපස්සේ කොටස හොඳටම වැවිලා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඇත්තටම මේක තමයි ඇත්තටම ප්‍රතිඵල.
මේ හිස් කිස් අස්වද්දන ආශ්චර්ය සේවයයි කේෂා ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට්